We're getting ready for Costa Rica! Woo! Jenny, she's packing all the essentials. On our way to Costa Rica! Well, that is an interesting bus right there. God bless Arkansas! We got ourselves a nice little camping spot. Look at Jenny putting up a hammock. Yeah! Look at my legs. It's like 2 hot dogs. Can't even tell. Is it 2 hot dogs or is it Noah's legs? This place looks legit. Salute.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. A nice little fire here. A Kona big wave. It's getting down to like 52 degrees tonight. We're gonna freeze. Jenny's about to board this airplane. Jenny. Alright, so we've arrived in Costa Rica, and it's a little bit rainy, it looks like. Jenny came prepared with a whole bunch of colognes. The world's largest KFC sign I've ever seen. Totally different world here. Look at the size of some of these leaves. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Going to our first hotel. And look at this, we got some little baby cows over here. Do you see this, Jenny? Look at them. Okay, continue. Look at this place here. This is our little cabin for the night. There's little epiphytes growing on the hut that Jenny noticed. Are we driving on the right side of the road or not? We're the only people on this side of the road. All right, we didn't realize it. We're just surrounded by bunnies though. Look at that bunny. Right, Jenny said that I look a little bit silly wearing socks with these shoes. Is this how you want me to look like? So our conclusion is I look bad in both. Hey guys, we just found Waldo after he grew up. Trying to hide behind the palm tree there. We see you, Waldo. Look at this little welcoming committee we have here.
Yeah, look at you.
Hypertension, diabetes, heart problems, joint problems. All right, we're gonna check out this little Catarata here, which is Spanish for waterfall. And we even have walking sticks here to help us. These remind me of the sticks we used in St. Augustine for the alligators. Yeah. There we go. This might be for blind people though. Okay, no, we don't have to take a stick then. We're not taking a stick, so that's probably our first mistake. Looks like we're gonna have the entire waterfall to ourselves today. Hey, Jenny.
So for Memorial Day, we decided to leave the country.
Yeah,
and so we're celebrating in Costa Rica, America! Look at this waterfall.
Oh, Papa's in the house. Papa's freed us. Jenny, look at that. Oh, he went to the hole. Looks like the leaf cutter ants got to this one. My gosh. Oh. And what are the odds of that?
I've gotten like cheesy balls.
They got every type of cheesecake.
And I got a Yum Mix tropical.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Looks like we're gonna get in a little bit of weather. Look at that behind me. So should see some froggies tonight, hopefully. I think we have a leak in the roof. We've just arrived at the river that we're gonna be kayaking. Look at that, Rio Pejibaye, something like that. I may have just proposed to Jenny.